Hello everyone, welcome to my video tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a crossover Ethernet cable. Before we start, I am going to show you the tools and materials we need. Now for the first step, cut the outer jacket insulator at least 1 inch from both sides of your Ethernet cable using the wire stripper. Now cut the ripcord and gently separate the twisted pairs of wire. Arrange the color combinations of the wire according to the picture. Note that both ends of wires have different color combinations. After you arrange the color sequence of the wire, cut the existing wire using scissor or crimping tool. Then insert the wire into RJ45. Make it sure that it is securely pushed and then use the crimping tool to lock the wire in RJ45. Do the same thing to the other side of your cable. Same procedure but different color combination. Time to test our cable. Insert the RJ45 to the socket and turn on the switch. Here is the number sequence for crossover. If some light indicator is not flashing or the number of sequence of flashing is not in exact order, then your cable may have an error. If not, then your cable is now ready to use.